it down as special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Butte early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art.
Log on the fire. Cook me up some bacon and some beans.
Hey clowns, looks like you're getting ready for a road trip. It looks like fun, can I come?
Sure, I think we can find room for you.
So clowns, where are we going? I hope it's someplace fun.
Kat, we're heading to a slaughterhouse. It's been in all the papers. Should be a great time.
Sounds good to me.
Okay. Let's go, it's a few hours drive.
Wow, this is a creepy house, but it's not the slaughterhouse.
The slaughterhouse is up the road. We just want to check out this place. You are trespassing.
Hey, you can't do that to Kat! Take this, you moron!
What the fuck? Why did that creep take a photo of me?
Are you okay, Kat? You won't have to worry about him anymore. Kat, here's a beer. Try to calm down. How about you and Pink check the house while Orange and I look around here?
Okay, I'm calm. Now let's go, Pink.
Okay, everybody, keep your eyes open and we'll meet back here in a few hours.
I'm getting hungry. Maybe there will be some food inside. Kat, you look for food and I'll search for valuables. Wow, what a cool house.
Kat, you check the kitchen and I'll check upstairs.
This is great. I think I'll surprise the Pinstripes with some sandwiches. They'll love it. Ouch, I'll just tell them it's ketchup.
Wow, this place is a dump. That chest must have something of value in it.
Jackpot! Hey, Kat, get up here and help me gather these coins!
I'll be right up. I just made sandwiches. Oh my god, you're such a cute kitty. I'm going to take you home.
Hey Kat, I got the coins. Meet me outside with the sandwiches. Where's Kat? I'm starving. She was supposed to help me gather up the coins, but that was 3 hours ago. I told you we should have done a catch and cook with one of these chickens. If she doesn't come back in 10 minutes, let's leave her here and pick her up on the way back from the slaughterhouse. Kat might be in danger. Give me an hour and I'll go find her.
What do you want with me?
You stole our lunch and ate all our cold cuts, and now my friend behind you will turn you into cold cuts!
That was some tasty chicken. Think we should have saved some for Orange and Kat? Don't be silly, they can eat the sandwiches Kat made. I've got bad news, clowns. Kat is being held captive. Slow down, Orange, those are some serious allegations. Just tell us what you saw. When I looked through the window, I saw Kat having dinner with some creepy-looking townfolk. I think you've got this all wrong. They probably found her in the house and invited her to stay for dinner. You and Pink wait here. I'll go get her.
If they don't open this door, I'm going to kick it in.
Oh, hello there, young fella. What can I do you for?
I heard my friend Kat is inside. Oh, she sure is. She's finishing up supper.
In the meantime, would you and your friends like some fresh cold cuts? I'm sure you'll all enjoy them.
Thanks for the cold cuts. Now I have something for you.
It's happening! Look!
Untie me, please!
What is that thing? We have to stay calm. It's too late for that!
Help me! Hey, Lou! That's my friend, Blue! Your only chance to survive is if you untie me now! Hey, Blue, I'm in here tied up! Hurry quick!
Eat this, you overgrown slob. Eat this.
I heard gunshots. Should we go check it out?
They were going to kill me!
You're safe now, Kat. Where is Blue?
He stayed back to finish the job.
Those inbred freaks won't be bothering anyone anymore.
They were going to turn me into cold cuts.
Hey, Orange, do what you do best. Turn that house into cinders. Kat, are you feeling any better, sweetheart?
Yes, I am. Besides for the kidnapping, it's been a really fun day. Oh my god, I am so scared.
Kat, where are you? Hey, Kat, thank goodness I found you. Kat, you gotta get up. We gotta get back to the truck.
I'm hurt. My leg hurts so bad.
I'll tend to your wounds later, but for now, let's get in the truck and lock the doors. Hurry up! Start the truck! Get ready, Orange. Let's finish this asshole off.
Shoot him, Blue. Finish the job!
That was great! Hey, Kat, head 10 miles down the road and we should be at the slaughterhouse. I hope the slaughterhouse is just as fun as today was. Let's go!
Blue jeans, come on, baby, you can fill my pipe.